Namaskaram guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going to Athirappilly. Right now it's 6:29 a.m. in the morning, and to reach Athirappilly we have to reach Chalakudy first, and then from there we will get bus to Athirappilly. So right now we are here in Alva bus station. This is the bus. This is Thrissur bus. So Chalakudy is midway to Thrissur, and we'll get off at Thrissur. So we will get off at Chalakudy, and then we'll take a bus to Athirappilly. So here with me I have Harshal.
Hi.
Here I have Midun, and here it's Hasif. It's his first trip. Hasif, we have all been, three of us have been already been to Athirappilly. And yeah, that's it. See you in Chalakudy bus station, and then I'll share the journey to Athirappilly. Ticket This is the ticket counter. Student ID Student ID, but study tour only. No. Okay, only study tour has got discount. No discount for us normal students. Lots of monkeys. Usually when there is lots of water, this waterfall has 4 falls, okay? But right now we can see only 3 falls. The one over there is already dried. Yeah, the route was not very difficult, so maybe I can cycle and come here. Probably by March I'll cycle and come here. Oh, there one different kind of monkeys there, see? Black they are not at all bothered by the human presence.
Waterfall entrance.
Okay guys, we have made the entry into the Athirappilly waterfall, okay? We have to walk some more distance to reach the waterfall. I didn't vlog in there because, you know, for video camera, it was within 400 rupees. And we are poor people, we can't afford that.
Yes.
That's I was not sure whether they will allow me to take the camera or not. So right now it's 9:41 and still not very sunny. Cool climate, cool weather. Yeah, and also not very crowded. Let's see. How was your experience so far?
It's good. We reached early before we expected.
Okay, say loudly, okay? Or else it won't reach the microphone.
Yeah.
This guy. What do you think after seeing the fall?
Seeing the
waterfall.
It's amazing. It's beautiful. I liked it.
You liked it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Some renovation going on here. Okay. This is the way to down. Huh? Okay, this is the river. Actually, there is a story behind why Athirappilly waterfalls got very famous. Okay. Initially, you know, I don't know which year, but the Kerala government proposed to build a dam, so which got opposed by people, no? And that's how it gained some popularity. After that, the Bahubali won.
Really one, yeah.
Bahubali 1 was shot in this waterfall itself, and that's how it gained lots of popularity. And now it has become a tourist destination. This was the top view of the waterfall. Now we are going to see the bottom view. Okay, so we are going there now. Oh, lots of monkeys, small monkeys. Put in the comment which species of monkey is this. Is this a macaque or not? I am guessing it as macaque. No idea. Midune. My friend was asking me which is the best month to visit Kerala.
Which month?
I think from December to May, December to June.
From June onwards there will be rain.
Rainy season will start.
And this August, October, that time also now heavy rain.
Now heavy rain because of climate change and all. No?
Yeah.
Now the during this rainy season, no, the weather in Kerala is really unpredictable. Okay, sometimes there will be flood, heavy rain. Usually, no, the first monsoon, which is the August monsoon. Okay, June, July, August.
First monsoon is June.
First monsoon, June, July. Usually the rain is more on those months. But this year in 2021, no, what happened was that the winter monsoon, which usually occurs in October, October. Yeah, we are not sure, but that November month, no, there was heavy rain and there was flood also, so it's become really unpredictable.
I think 2018 flood was in October.
August. That was in August. 2018 flood was in
10 or 11.
August. I think it was in 8 because I got my admission done in the college in 8. Okay, and by the 9 I flew to Arunachal, and by 10th there was flood in Kerala, Kochi. All the airport was also flooded. So lucky me, or else I would have been trapped for like 10 or 15 days there. I'm going to show you the waterfall now. Tana tana. Oh, what a beauty. That the fourth fall, no, it's all dried out. You see? First fall, second fall, third fall, and that should be the fourth fall. One here.
Remaining 3 full water.
Where is Midun gone? Midun! Awesome place to take pictures. Asif, before you leave, help me out. Put this in my back chain. Back? First chain. Put in the first chain. And close the chain because my pocket is shallow. Be careful. Oh, nice air. It's so nice air, so much nice air. Be careful or else my slipper will slip. Isn't it? Poli. Stay near. Here, over there. Hasibe, please hold this. I am just going to go there, okay? So that I also can see the thing.
What do you want me to do?
I think just hold the camera for. You go there. It's an awesome place. Oh, nice play of water. Kolla. I hope this doesn't ruin my camera.
This will all become wet, man.
But we need to be wet. It's getting hot. Wow! Awesome! Oh my God!
Kind of blown away.
Climb! Okay, I'm stopping the vlog here because I also need to enjoy the waterfall. Oh guys, we are having so much fun here. Yeah.
Yes.
Come on guys, say like, share and subscribe. Yeah. Were you expecting this trip to be this good? Were you expecting this trip to be this good?
No.
This guy was like, I have already been there and I don't want to go. Something like that he was saying, but
Above expectation.
it's all above expectation, okay? The water level also proved us all wrong. Your first time you are coming here, right? Have you seen a waterfall bigger than this?
No.
It's your biggest waterfall.
Yeah.
Mine too.
You can't see because it is the biggest. How come can see everyone?
This is the biggest in Kerala.
Yes.
But where is Undala? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, enjoying. And I don't know what else to say in the vlog. Sorry guys. By the way, cycling route is good, okay? It's easy. Most of the road was plain and only few up and down hills. So it will be really easy, no? Easy than the day I cycled at 80 kilometers. They were all up hills. Okay? Okay, hello guys. Now it's 10:37 and it's very sunny now. So we are planning to visit some other places now, nearby places. So let's see where we can go now. And yeah, the last view of waterfall here. And yeah, we all had a blast.
Yeah.
Blast.
Yes, blast.
Poli.
Blast and thirst.
Well, blast and thirst.
Yes.
And a bit of scolding. We took photo from a restricted place, okay? You will get that photo only in my blog. No other people can take a photo from there.
Yeah, proof of violating the law.
Okay. Okay. Yeah guys, bye. Let's see where we will go next.
Okay.
Bye.
കയ്യിൽ വേണം